and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's called the Phantom Alarm. We had a horizontal mill that kept throwing a spindle load alarm mid-cycle, random intervals, no pattern at all. First thought, tool wear. Swap the cutters, same issue. Next guess, the program. Check the code line by line, it was clean. Coolant flow, good. Work holding, it was rock solid. For 2 days the machine would run fine, then throw an alarm out of nowhere. Finally, while watching a cycle, I noticed something strange. Every time the alarm hit, the conveyor rattled hard enough to vibrate the whole base. Turns out a bolt had come undone on the conveyor drive, just enough to shake the machine frame. That vibration sparked the spindle load sensor, tricking it into thinking the tool was overloaded. One bolt tightened, problem solved. Lesson learned, not every machine problem is actually the machine. Sometimes it's the little things around it that can be the problem. Ever chased a phantom error in your shop? Let's hear it in the comments. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.